So this is the old traditional song, You Are My Sunshine. I don't know who wrote it when, but I believe Johnny Cash made it really famous. Maybe it was mega famous before then. I'm Steve, hope you're doing amazing, and I'm gonna teach you this lesson in under 3 minutes. You only need 3 chords, so we're gonna do it in less than 3 minutes. And I'll teach you those little walk-ups and walk-downs because they make it super cool. So we begin here with no capo. We're on the A major chord. And it basically goes the other night, A, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I D major, held you in my A major. When I woke, D major, I was mistaken, back to A. And so I bowed my E major and back to A. And then it goes into the chorus. I'll give you the chords first and I'll talk about the strumming and those little walk-ups. You are my A major, sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me D, when skies are gray, A. You'll never D, no dear, how much I A. Please don't A, my E, sunshine, away, A. And at the very end I went like that, A, D to A. All right, so let's talk about those little walk-ups. You go, or let me give you the strumming pattern first. So you can just hit the low note of the A and hit the high notes like that, but I also alternated low note of the A chord, and then the E, open E string, like that. So you go. Okay, now the walk-up goes like this. So you're going from the open A, 2nd fret of the A string, 4th fret, and then you do the D. And you're doing the D chord and hitting that open A string right there. And you can do a walk down. That's the open D string, 4th fret, 2nd fret of the A string, back to the A string. And you can do a walk down from here if you want to. So you're going from the A chord, open A string, 4th fret of the E, 2nd fret of the E string to the E string. And then you walk it right back up. So that was open E to the 2nd fret of the E to the 4th fret of the E to the A chord. What do you think? It's not that hard at all, especially when you just do the 3 chords. But if you throw in those little notes and some of that low, high bass notes right there, it makes it pretty magical. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. Later.